everyone, my name is Joly and I'm really excited for today's video because we are going to unbox the Perfect Sketchbook. Okay, so my package just arrived today, and just to let you guys know, this is not a sponsored video. I bought these sketchbooks, and every time you buy their sketchbook, it will be sold in bundles. So it will be 2 pieces right away, and they're actually quite pricey. One bundle is $119 US. So it's very expensive because the paper that they use here is Fabriano Artistico. It's a 100% cotton watercolor paper, and it also happens to be one of my favorite papers. So this is my package, and it was opened by our local customs. So I think they had to tear this apart, and they also opened the package inside. So it looks like this. So let me just show you the first one, and it has a black case, black envelope, and let's check out what's inside. And then inside, it's placed in another envelope. So this is limited edition, and I know that they only sold 1,200 bundles. I'm not sure if there's still some left, but you can check out the website of Etcher Lab. So I also wanted to show you guys that they gave me a small envelope like this, and there are sample papers from the Etcher Lab sketchbook that they have. So I'm gonna do a review on that. It's a different sketchbook compared to this Perfect Sketchbook. So they have some sample papers that you can try, and then let's try to just open. Okay, so I like the size. The size is B5. So this is not a review video, it's just an unboxing video. I'm gonna do a separate review video. So let me just move this. So I'm just gonna check if there's something else. So they snuck in 10 pieces of golden tickets among 350 bundles, and the golden ticket can be redeemed through the Etcher Lab website, I guess. You can get the golden llama pin, and I'm really excited to know if I have the golden ticket inside, but they told me that the ticket is inside the sketchbook, so I guess I have to tear out the plastic. So I have two sketchbooks. The other one is still right here. Okay, so I love the size. It's B5. It's smaller than the A4. I think the size is really just perfect. And I also got the cold press paper. I'm not sure if they sell this in a hot press version, but this is the cold press paper. Okay, I'm really excited. So I'm not sure if we can get one. So let's check. Okay, I don't see any ticket. Maybe it's at the back. No, I don't have it. Or maybe it's here. So I don't think I have it. This is just like a brochure, so let's just check it out. No, it's just a brochure, but it's really nice. I love that it has some deckled edges, so I'm gonna change the camera angle later so that you can see it up close, because we are going to unbox the other sketchbook because I really want to see if there's a golden ticket inside. I think the only thing that I don't like about this is that they included the traditional white Fabriano Artistico paper. So with Fabriano Artistico, they have two colors. So you have the, I think it's called extra white, and you have traditional white. So traditional white is a bit yellowish. It's kind of a cream colored paper. And I usually prefer using the extra white because my florals look a lot better on really white paper. But I guess we can just give this a try. So let's check out the other sketchbook. Okay, so this is the second sketchbook, and I really hope that we can get a golden ticket. Okay, so I got this pin. This is not the pin from the golden ticket. I think this is just a pin that they give out to everyone who orders from them. This is their llama pin. And let's check out the sketchbook inside. Let me just check if there's something else. No, nothing. Okay. So let's try to check this one. Maybe there's something. No, nothing. Okay, so we're down to this last sketchbook. Huh. Okay. So there's nothing as well. I'm not really sure if I should open, but I'm really curious. So I guess we'll have to open. Okay. So just to let you know, the paper that they use is 300 GSM. That's the thickness of the paper. And I think there are 44 pages. So probably that's 22 sheets of paper. Because I'm super curious, I need to unbox this, even if I'm not really gonna use it yet. Please give me the golden ticket. Okay. I think no one has claimed the golden ticket yet. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, so maybe it's at the back. Let's check. Oh, I think we don't have it. Oh, I think we don't have it. There's no golden ticket. Unless they snuck it in between the pages. But we don't have it. That's okay. So this is what it looks like up close. So I think that these are torn. These were torn by hand, from what I read in their website. Okay. So I don't have the golden ticket. Just watch out for a review for this sketchbook, but I think I'm gonna review the Etcher Lab sketchbook first before this one, because I have yet to try painting on this before I give my first impression review. But here is their brochure. And okay, so I think we're done. That's it for this video. We were not able to get any golden ticket. I hope that one of you gets lucky and that you'll get a golden ticket. If you do, please comment down below. I actually want to know what it looks like. So I forgot to tell you guys that B5 is 6.9 by 9.9 inches, and I really love the size. And I also love the feel of the cover, so I'm gonna give more of my review in a separate video soon. But like what I said, I'm gonna give a review first of the Etcher Lab sketchbook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and unboxing this Perfect Sketchbook with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so see you in my next video. Bye!